Semis week again, pero this time kami naman ni Kuya Chito, ni Coach Chito, ang may teams na lalaban for tonight. Nervous and excited kami sa magiging performance ng bawat grupo, bawat teams namin. Kinakabahan kami kasi hindi namin alam kung sino yung mapipilit namin, matatanggalin namin, or sino yung uusad sa finals. So, medyo nakakanginig tonight, but more than anything, nakaka-proud kasi syempre papalapit na tayo sa grand finals. And ngayong semis talagang papatunayan nila kung sino ang karapat-dapat na magpatuloy sa grand finals at maging champion ng the boys today.
Okay, second week ng semis. Teams ko na yung maglalaban for the kung sino yung sasabak na sa finals. Sobrang intense. Alam mo, sa totoo, hindi ko alam ba't kabado ako. Nakita ko kasi yung experience sila ni Coach Billy at ni Coach the last week, and alam ko nga abot kami sa point na to, pero iba pa rin yung intensity and yung emotional. Basta hindi na ako magsalita, kinakabahan na ako. Good luck sa atin lahat!
What up everybody? So this is Coach Billy again. Semi-finals time, and seryosohan na to. Dahil wala na ako say. This is the night for Coach Chito and Coach Julie. May the best team win. Good luck. Yo, what's up? Today it's Coach Julie and Coach Chito's turn for the semi-finals, and everyone is excited. And katulad kami ni Kuya Billy na medyo nakahinga na. So excited lang kami makakita ng talents tonight. And nandito kami para lang manggatong lang and pahirapan sila. So excited akong makita sila. So good luck. Good luck to Coach Julie and Coach Chito's team.